Balloon bakery. Tommy found a bakery bright, filled with treats and glowing, filled with treats and glowing light. Balloon cupcakes floated high, smiling softly through the sky. Flying cupcakes, Tommy baked with love and care. Cupcakes floated through the air. Rainbow wings began to grow rainbow when Tommy opened ovens wide. Magic treats flew from inside. Cookies, cakes, and donuts too sparkled in each rainbow hue. Bread balloon, Tommy sailed above the land in a loaf so damp, in a loaf so soft and grand. Candy clouds drifted by, laughing high up in the sky. Pastry friends crossings danced with cookies sweet. Cupcakes bounced on happy feet. Donuts twirled with joyful cheer. Best bakery of the year. Balloon cart, Tommy rolled his colorful cart, sharing treats with all his heart. Rainbow balloons lifted high, bringing smiles as they flew by. Sprinkle tree, Tommy found a magical tree, growing sweets for all to see. Cookies, muffins, candy bright, sparkled in the morning light. Candy mixer, Tommy turned the mix around. Tommy turned the mix around. Sweet balloons filled all around. Rainbow sprinkles dance with glee. Rainbow sprinkles dance with glee. Magic as far as eyes could see. Dessert vault, Tommy opened golden doors filled with cakes and candy stores. Rainbow treats and cookies sweet made the bakery feel complete.